Hey guys, welcome back to another How2WWII video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to restore an M1 helmet, part 1. So let's get started. First, you want to grab your M1 shell, go ahead and take that liner out. These chin straps, you can go ahead and, if you do have chin straps on your shell, you can go ahead and buckle them and just tuck them right there in that shell. If you got a swivel bale, then you can go ahead and fold them inside like this, like that, so you can tip your helmet over and it won't be, sitting up like that, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, and second of all, you want to grab your spray paint. I'm using this Krylon camouflage, and it works pretty good. And after you grab your spray paint, you want your cork. If you want to use cork, you can. I'm just using it for texture because it looks nice. So yeah, and I got my new chin straps for the helmet, but I'll put these on in the part 2 once it dries and it's complete. I'll sew these on and I'll show y'all how. So after you got your spray paint and cork, you're gonna want to grab a box or something to put the helmet on top of, so you don't spray paint the ground if you don't want to spray paint the ground. So I'm just gonna use this box and let's get started. So after I apply the first layer, I'm gonna put the cork on the wet paint so it will stay, and then I'm gonna spray paint on top of that cork to make sure it has a second layer so it doesn't so it's not brown. So yeah, let's do that. And also make sure you're not spraying it so where it's dripping like I just did right there, because it's gonna look like crap. So just be careful with that. Now you're gonna want to have a lot of cork, because as you can see, some of it that I'm putting on here is just flying away. So you're gonna want to have quite a bit. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off. There. Okay, let's do the other side. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough spray paint for this whole thing. feels like a lot, but you know, I don't know. It's looking pretty good so far, boys. I just threw some on there, it just all missed. Just like that. This wind is not being my friend today. Alright, so that side's looking decent. Let's do that front. Quite a bit, but you know, whatever, because some of this will come off as I use the helmet, so I ain't too worried about it. Jeez, that's a lot of cord. Whatever. I just hope it comes out good in the end. And I still got all of this left. If y'all want this cork, I will put a link in the description for the store. It is perfect. Like, I actually tried to film a helmet repainting video in the past with my Vietnam helmet, and I had cork that I got off at Walmart, and that cork was ridiculous. It was too thick. It was just, and I spent $5 on that cork This cork I got for like $4.50 or something. So and I'll link that in the description if you're interested. And this paint is perfect. This one I paid like maybe $4.99 I think at Lowe's, if y'all got Lowe's. So yeah, that paint is really good. I'm actually surprised how well this cork is staying on. This is some top tier cork, I'm telling y'all. So I'm gonna let this dry. Hopefully nothing flies into it. And I cannot get this open. There. Sheesh, bro. This is looking pretty good so far. I don't think I'm gonna do the inside. I know I sanded these sides down, this rim. What did I just say? I sanded it down, the rim, so it'd be silver, so it'd look better. And I'm gonna do that again after this all dries. Because personally, in my opinion, the green with the silver line, or the silver rim, it just looks beautiful. And I'm gonna put this on after it dries, and I'll do a video on this, on how to properly fold it and sew it on, so I can help y'all with that. Because I looked on YouTube on how to put the strap on. I could not find it anywhere. It was ridiculous. I found out how to make my own chin strap, but I don't need to do that because I just bought it. And I got this chin strap and this cork from the same online store. It was like $18 in total, including international shipping. So, pretty worth it. And earlier when I was sanding the helmet down, I looked at the inside to try to find a heat stamp, because it is a front seam swivel bell M1 helmet. And I found the heat stamp. It's 265, I believe, 265A. And what I've been told, it's from 1942 to 1943, I believe. So pretty cool helmet. I got that for I got the helmet for $52, including shipping. So 52 in total with shipping. So pretty good price. And sure y'all don't want to hear me jabber, but gotta wait for it to dry. Yeah, my apologies for not posting in like a month. I've been dealing with school and some family stuff. So, yeah. Hopefully, I'll get back on track with the posting, with uploading. And I'll have that part 2 to this video in the next upcoming days or so. So yeah, y'all will see the final product of this in the next video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.